Welcome to the essential video for the Innovation Studio presentation. My name is Rick Hulbeck from OLC Presenter Services. This video is going to show you some strategies for having an effective Innovation Studio session. Innovation Studio sessions should be highly engaging and interactive, offer in-depth views and tools and new approaches. It should also encourage discussion and exploration, which is a key part of the Innovation Studio. Along with that would be providing guided hands-on practice to the attendees and creating tangible takeaways that they can use when they leave your session. To achieve these goals, you need to start with goals in mind. Design your session with specific applied goals. Create opportunities for attendees to learn new information and to apply it. Structure your presentation as a show and tell in which you discuss learning objectives and purpose, demonstrate a new skill, method, or technology, then allow attendees to process, discuss, apply, and practice the information. Really, there should be a lot of time for the attendees to actually learn and use whatever tool you are presenting to them that day. In addition, an Innovation Studio session should have meaningful takeaways for the attendees. Create resources that align well with your session. Provide guides to encourage application and utilization of the new skills after the session is over. Provide resources that are complete and will allow attendees to use the resources effectively when implementing the new approach. One of the most important aspects of an Innovation Studio session is engaging your audience. Consider using an icebreaker activity to help the attendees get acquainted, and ensure all attendees have an opportunity to engage in the activity or practice the new skill. Design explicit activities that encourage reflection, application, and practice. Another important consideration for Innovation Studio sessions is to consider the space that you are going to be presenting in. Try to obtain information about the space prior to your Innovation Studio session. This includes size of the room, arrangement of tables, external noise considerations, technology availability, etc. Test all technology, access, and internet to make sure attendees can actively practice the new skill. Arrive as early as possible to ensure the room setup is appropriate for your session, and ensure a presenter can effectively guide participants and provide feedback as they engage in hands-on practice. Innovation Studio sessions are vastly different from a presentation. The focus should be on helping attendees explore strategies to practice something new. Go beyond demonstrating to also offer rationale on the need, value, and impact of the new strategy. Ensure adequate time is dedicated to allowing attendee exploration and practice. Build in time to answer questions after attendees have practiced the new skill. Summarize the takeaways and resources for supporting the new strategy after the session ends.